Hello, this is Tasty Wallet, and we are going to play some Warship on Atlas Earth. Now, I have played this one time before. It was during the beta. Let me see how much I have time for my ad. Alright, I'm not going to be able to run that. Okay, let's see here. Parcel count. Alright, take a screenshot of that. Always do that because I've been keeping track of my AB. Sorry if I'm breathing hard a little bit. I ran upstairs because I was trying to hurry for this thing. Anyways, so it's going to start in a few minutes. I did do this during beta. One thing that I do remember about this is that there was a pattern to this. So you notice that there's going to be, you got to hit 5 in a row to get the tiny missiles in order to get the big missile. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to hit 5 in a row. I'm going to use the hold and release method to try to do this. I tried using the tap method last time during the beta, and then towards the end I started holding and releasing, and that seemed to work a lot better. So we have, let's see how much time we have left. Got about 2 minutes left. Okay, so I took a screenshot of that. Is there anything else I need to do? So some preparations that I've done. As you probably noticed, I plugged my phone in, so that way I have a little bit more of a charge as I'm doing this. That's something I typically do during events. Probably be cashing out $10 later tonight. The reason why I have so much is because I was thinking about converting it, and then I decided not to, so I'm slowly trying to cash that out. So that's why there's $38 in my account right now. And also, we're during a super rent boost, so that's going to start going up a lot faster. Let's see here. Is there anything else I'm forgetting? Oh yeah, I closed all my apps. I rebooted my phone, and by closed my apps, not only did I just close them, but I also force closed them as well. Let me see if there's anything else that's running. Alright, that's just one thing. Alright, so it's always good to make sure that there's, minimal stuff running in the background to have a little bit better of an output in terms of connection. Still got a minute left. Okay. Well, guess we'll just wait. Alright. So, I was thinking about something else, but I couldn't quite figure out what it is I want to talk about to fill the time. So I guess we'll just have to wait. Oh yeah, did want to show you this one thing now. Take a look at that tree in the middle. You see how it's glitched? It's kind of funny. Oh, there it started. All right, let's see. Let's see, a 40,000 pot. All right, and let's see who I'm going to get first. Okay, Evil Orange. All right. Let's see here. I'll hold first and third. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 1. Oh, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 1, 1. Oh, that's right. It follows a pattern. I keep forgetting about that. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Alright, did I win? That thing is still glitched out. Alright, I won that one. I'm not really paying attention to the HP bars. I'm just trying to hit the thing. By the way, I am pushing to try to get top 3. So we'll see how well that goes. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright. Okay, doing a little bit better. Alright. Yeah, those later ones are a little bit harder to get. But it is possible with a lot of practice. It's almost like sniping fish. Alright, Jake. Okay. Whew. Still gotta calm down from that humongous run I did up the stairs. Alright. 2, 3. I missed that one. I don't think he's damaged me. Alright. King. I don't know who that is. Okay. So basically just following the same pattern here. Four, five, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoop. 1. Oh, gosh darn it! I missed that one. 1, 2, 3. I think I miscounted. Well, he's not damaging me very much, anyways. I can't seem to get those missiles near the end, though. Those super ones. They're really, really hard to get. I don't even think I'm top 3 right now. Ghost King 9000. Oh, Among Us. I've never played. I just recently learned that that was a thing. Oh, shoot. I missed the missile. I was too early on it. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoot. I don't think it's going to matter very much, though. Pretty sure I've won this. Yeah, I did. Okay, powered by Walmart. Very interesting. And Mark Cuban's in first place. Of course he is. He won the testing version last time. 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Ah, too early. New pattern. Great. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ah, new pattern again. 2, 3, 4. Nope. No fifth one. Okay. I won that one too. Alright. Like I said, not really paying too much attention to the HP bar, so it's always a surprise for me whether I win or not. I'm too busy playing the controls to pay attention to the HP. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Ah. New pattern. 4, 5. Oh. Okay, new pattern. Oh, I've won this one. I glanced at the HP bar. I should never do that. It breaks my concentration. Roof King. Okay. Wonder if I'm going to gain referral AB tonight. Usually get at least one hit of that. 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually I miscounted that. 1, 2, 3. Ah, too early. I got the missile. I think they slowed down those last ones just a little bit from the beta, or maybe I'm just able to read them a lot better than I was the last time I did the beta version. Okay, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop. Too early. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that battery too hot thing threw me for a loop. Okay, so what I might do is next time I get a fifth one on the on the later one, I think I'm gonna tap the other two, because I've noticed the chamber, they don't fall into the same chamber twice in a row ever. 2, 3, 4. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, too early. Alright. Not quite sure if I won that one. I did. Okay. I haven't lost a game yet. I'm in second place. Alright. Our Cuban must have not lost one either. Anonymous. Alright. I wonder which anonymous it is. There's about 10,000 of them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh! I totally missed that one. I'm gonna lose this game. I missed that last one. I could have got another missile in. I still won the game though, so that's good. Okay, don't dox me. Okay, I'll make sure I don't dox you. Dox me. Okay, all right, let's see here. Yeah, missed that one. Shoot, I'm missing a whole bunch of them. I'm gonna lose this game. I missed a whole bunch of stuff that time. He probably beat me. Oh, I won! Wow. Wonder how I won that one. Orange in third. No surprise there. One banana. All right. Perfect run so far. And there goes my perfect run. Yeah. Alright, let's get the patterns established. I was a little too late on that missile at the end, but it didn't matter. I call it the super missile anyways. Sammy. Okay, Sammy, let's see how Sammy does. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got that first one. I did. Missed that one. Shoot. New pattern. Okay. Alright, that's probably the alert to let me know that that Warship is underway. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, new pattern. Shoot. Dang on it. Man, I'm doing horrible this time. Probably lost that one. Okay. Our Cuban's still in first. Arn. Alright, I think I'm going to stop recording after this one. I think I've recorded enough to show you how I play. 3, 4, 5. Shoot. I think I won. I did. By a landslide. Alright. Maybe one more. Maybe I'll get Mark Cuban. Anonymous again. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. New pattern. Shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Alright. I think I was a little bit ahead. Yep. Alright. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, everyone.